You will love the features of this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox, the small SUV with a big spirit of adventure. Passenger-friendly, loaded with safety features, and great for hauling cargo, it's an ideal family car. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, hands-free liftgate, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, satellite radio, lane keeping assist. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.